Hello guys, welcome on control panel overview in Bosch Washing Machine Serie 4. So this is a control tool. By this element you can select your program or just turn on or off the device. This button is for a temperature, this one is for a spin level, there we have an anti-crease function, there we have a water and rinse plus, this button is for a delay, and this is a speed perfect function. The last button is for a turning on or off the cycle. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.